In this video we are going to see the program on like print odd positions of string. Like if we given a sample input discover, then we need to print the odd positions of string. Means here we need to print this D, S, O and E. So odd positions means what is the odd positions? Odd positions like 1, 3, 5 and 7, 9, so on. These are the odd positions. So this is a sample output we should get from this input. So we need to write program to satisfy this question. So this is the questions is especially for the placement preparation. So let's start the code. Here it is a string, means it is a collection of characters. So I am declaring that I am taking a one variable like a, let it be a size of 10, and as of now I am taking this variable. Now in this printf I am advising user like enter the string. The entered string I am going to scan in this a variable. Now the actual code is going to start. Like I am taking one for loop. To initialize the for loop, I am taking one variable of int data type like int I, let it be. Let I is starting from the index of 0. When I less than the length of the string length of a. When we use this thing like string length, we need one header file like string.h. So that is also going to mention here .h. Again see here I want to clear one thing, like let us take here gap. So the odd positions of the string is belongs to which index number, let us find now. So D is belongs to like D is belongs to first odd position, which is belongs to the index number 0. Later S is belongs to the index number of 2. S is belongs to the index number 2. Again the O is belongs to the index number 4. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are not using the I++, because when you see here after 0, the immediate of the 0, we are not printing the index number of the 1. So we are printing the index 2. So after 0 we are printing index 2, later index 4. So instead of I++, means instead of incrementing by 1, we are going to increment by 2, like I plus equals to 2. What is the meaning of this? Means every time the I is going to increment by 2 and the copying to the value to the I variable only. So instead of this for I am initializing the printf statement. Like in this I am printing the characters. See why I take this one space, means when you observe the output, so after printing of the every odd position, it is the output is of with one space of gap. So I am taking like this. So here I am printing the value a of I. Now if I run the program, you can see it is asking enter the string. I am entering the string, the given sample input like discover. Now if I press enter, you can see it is printing the sample output. So this is how we can print the odd positions of the string. Even though we can print the even position of the string also. Like here when we change the 0 to the 1, again instead of taking space here, we are going to take space before this. Now again if I run the program for the same sample input like discover, it is printing even positions. You can check out here.